Today, we're going a step further to make astronomy even more accessible. Today, we introduce Vespera. We conceived Vespera to be the perfect combination of a telescope and a camera that will help you reconnect with the stars. Observing and capturing the wonders of the cosmos can be difficult. People often say telescopes are challenging to use, heavy, and cumbersome. With Vespera, that's no longer the case. Designed for you to share space observations with your loved ones in real time, we opted for the most comfortable eyepiece, your mobile device, combined with our app. You can now take your own photos of the moon, galaxies, nebulae, and so much more. Vespera only weighs 10 pounds, is 15 inches tall, and can fit in your backpack. It is time for you to go explore the world and experience breathtaking outdoor adventures. Super easy to use. Just set up the tripod using the adjustable legs and press the button. Let Vespera come to life and calibrate itself through your GPS device and starfield recognition. Using our app, simply select the object you want to observe, and Vespera will point and track it, compensating the Earth's rotation. Vespera is also the perfect hybrid of compactness and power. It is equipped with a state-of-the-art quadruplet apochromatic refractor, one of the most accurate and powerful optical designs on the market, with zero distortion. Using the latest Sony sensor, developed for extreme low light, Vespera creates astonishing results.
The world of new astronomy is bringing people further into space faster than ever before, using thrilling state-of-the-art technology. Meet the Unistellar eVscope 2, the world's newest, most powerful, and simple-to-operate digital telescope. With uncompromised optics and a stunning visual experience, tour a galaxy, nebula, star cluster, and supernova remnant in minutes. Novices and pros alike can discover the cosmos from the country or the city and relax under the stars as distant space objects are revealed in full color. The eVscope 2 eyepiece features pioneering optical technologies from the world leaders at Nikon, delivering the most stunning visual experience ever seen in a consumer telescope, resulting in better observing comfort and eye relief. The micro OLED display is designed to enhance contrast and deliver a perfect black image. Infinity focus ensures unparalleled deep space views and a truly immersive observation. Unistellar's autonomous field detection algorithm uses an internal map with tens of millions of star coordinates to accurately identify any object in the telescope's field of view. Point at objects in the night sky automatically, making it easier to find targets. Get information about what you're observing, like distance from the Earth, size, or age. The Unistellar app provides educational content and automates your observing experience. Our catalog recommends galaxies, nebulae, stars, and comets based on your location and time, simple to use for novices and advanced features for pros. Save or browse a collection of images taken with your telescope, or live stream your device to share with friends. With a 7.7 megapixel resolution, the eVscope 2 has the highest resolution of any digital telescope, bringing an incredible amount of detail, definition, and zoomability. The field of view is wide enough to enjoy the largest deep sky objects, such as the Orion Nebula. Share your experience with up to 10 observers, or connect with a global community of 5,000 users from the Unistellar network.
Celestron's signature NexStar line of computerized go-to telescopes keeps evolving. NexStar Evolution revolutionized amateur astronomy in 2014 by featuring full telescope control via Wi-Fi and an internal 10-hour battery, making it the ultimate grab-and-go telescope. Now, the Evolution family has a brand new bundle that features all of Celestron's best optics and most innovative technologies into one extremely versatile package. Celestron's Edge HD optical technology was designed to eliminate field curvature and off-axis coma to produce the highest quality flat field images for today's largest imaging sensors and wide field eyepieces. Now it has been fully integrated into the popular NexStar Evolution line with integrated Wi-Fi and internal battery for a superb observing and astro-imaging performance. NexStar Evolution is also now easier than ever to align to the night sky. Included in this bundle, Celestron's StarSense Auto-Align accessory takes all the guesswork out of alignment procedure by using its internal camera to map the sky, analyze its position on Earth, and then align the telescope for computerized go-to and tracking. Without any prior knowledge of the night sky, your Evolution can be completely aligned and ready to observe in a matter of minutes. With all these added features, the NexStar Evolution 8 HD package is the most capable, easy to use, and ready-for-action telescope system.